Do you, your child, or a loved one ever struggle with attention, anxiety, mood swings, brain fog? Certain lobes of the brain or cranial nerves of the brain, they are all responsible for sending signals and functions. For example, the prefrontal cortex. This is your executive center, and it's highly sensitive to trauma. And it's also extremely trainable. So if you have a trauma response and you get into sympathetic overdrive and you're in fight or flight syndrome all the time and not in that peace, relaxing Zen mode, well, that's one of the areas, that amygdala, that we would want to send activation or signals into or do exercises for to repattern and retrain that. The amygdala is a fear center that loops to the prefrontal cortex, and that's your ability to overcome overreactive chronic stress, and it can be supported to help with your peaceful feelings so that you're in rest, digest, and regenerate mode. And this is where you're in a more sense of well-being and your body is able to be in more of a wellness state. And we can use vagal tone and frontal lobe retraining, and we'll go into some of the exercises in a little bit. But this is just giving you some examples of how we can do certain exercises to rewire some of these areas that change over time with chronic stress or trauma responses, or even from biotoxins or environmental toxins.